Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps you need to follow to view the members you've delegated on the X app. If you've ever given someone permission to help manage your account, you might want to check exactly who has that access. The process is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you set up delegation. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top corner of the screen. This will open up your main account menu, where you can access all your account options. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is the hub for every account control you might need, from privacy to safety settings. Once you're inside, look for the option labeled Security and Account Access. This is where all tools related to permissions, login history, and delegated access are located. Now, tap on Delegate. This section is dedicated to managing delegation, which allows you to give trusted members the ability to help with your account without sharing your personal login. Finally, select members you've delegated. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts that currently have delegated access. You can review who's on the list, and if anything looks off, you'll know exactly which members to remove or manage. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've successfully checked which members you've delegated on the X app. This is a good habit to keep up with, especially if you use delegation regularly, since it ensures your account remains secure and only trusted people have access. If this walkthrough helped you, consider taking a moment to review your delegation settings right now. Staying on top of account security is one of the best steps you can take to protect your presence on the platform. Thanks for following along, and now you're all set to confidently view and manage the members you've delegated on X.